If you hate recruiting, talking to your family and friends, you hate Facebook marketing, and you're just looking for a simple system that you can tap into right now that's going to help you earn some money online, even if you are a beginner or an intermediate affiliate marketer, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you in this video my EndGame 2.0 review case study and what I'm doing to actually make this work. Now, the EndGame 2.0 is created by two heavy affiliate marketers, that do strictly solo ads. They do strictly solo ads. They have Facebook groups as well, but they know what they know what they are doing. Okay. And I have purchased some of their other courses in the past, but when I compare the EndGame 2.0 to what they have done in the past, this to me is a game changer. Now, as I said before, if you don't like recruiting, you just want to tap into something where you can just set up a system following their direction and get traffic and start earning an income, then watch this video until the end. Now, here I am inside of my Warrior Plus account. As you see, I have $355.78, okay, that I can withdraw right now. I have $46.76 pending. If you look here, I already have a few sales with the EndGame 2.0 and some other things that I'm doing inside of the Warrior Plus as well. So let's look at the summary. You see, for the summary, my earning is $2,108.13. My withdrawal is $1,339.67, and I purchased some things for $365.92, okay, within here as well. There are products that I purchased in Warrior Plus. Now, I want to let you know this up front, that whenever you promote Warrior Plus product, ClickBank products, JVZoo products, Digistore 24 products, anytime you promote their products, okay, understand this and let this sink in. You are building their email list of buyers, okay? So you are really, although you're promoting their products and you're getting sales, you're helping them build their list as well. But you're also building your list if you do it the correct way, the way that they show you. But just know that you are somewhat in competition with them, but you are building your list and you can make sales. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go up to my dashboard. As you see, for yesterday was $32.58. The last 7 days, the last 30 days, okay, you can see some results down here. If I come back up here and go to my stats, you see today I've had hops, but I haven't had any sales. But if I go back to yesterday, okay, you'll see $30.27 yesterday. If I go back to the last 7 days, let's see if in $44.45. Okay, come back through here. Let's go to the last 30 days. Okay, for the last 30 days, $81.72. Okay, and I'm going to explain that to you. Year to date is $388.85. Now, my combined earning is $569.20. But let me tell you why you don't see my account like some other people's account. Is because I created some YouTube videos on the Click Engine, Traffic Blaster Pro, okay? And those videos bring me sales, okay? I promote traffic packages. It brings me sales, okay? So everything that I promote, some of the stuff that I promote, I'm really not promoting it, but I am approved for it, to sell it, okay? But my main things is like system exclusive traffic, okay? Traffic, Glenn's premium solo ad, the Click Engine, traffic, Traffic Blaster Pro. Traffic EndGame is a training, okay? In the RPM, I've been in it for a while, but I'm just not, starting to promote it, okay? So you see that right there. If I go to reoccurring payments, okay, you can see the recurring here as well. So, but just understand, like I said before, if you promote Warrior Plus product, ClickBank, Digistore 24, any other products from any seller, really not even on these platforms, you are building their email list. So I just want you to know that. Okay. So if I go back and we look at transactions, then you can see the transaction here. I have some tracking on some of them and things like that, but it works for me. We can just go back year to date. It's really going to show you the same thing. Okay. And there it is. Okay. So it works for me. So I just wanted to show you this. So let's get into the EndGame 2.0. This is the actual sales page. Okay. Of EndGame 2.0. What you're going to be doing here, you're not going to be promoting on Facebook or marketing on Facebook. You're not going to be doing TikTok videos. You're not going to be doing Instagram reels or Facebook reels. You're going to be purchasing solo ads. That's if you have the money to invest in this type of thing. Now, personally for me, I love solo ads. I have my vendors that I use. They recommend vendors for you with this system. Okay. So this is the actual sales page. This is a nice little video. Okay. And if you just go down through here, read this sales page, it may be something that you're looking to do, especially if you're struggling, you've never made a dime online, you're looking for a simple way where you don't have to reach out to people, then hey, check this out. Go ahead and click the link in the description and pick it up. Now, I'm going to show you the upsell and all of this stuff that, the process that you're going to go through in order just to get the first thing that you really want. Okay. And things of that nature. So, and I did purchase this product myself, but this is the sales page. Okay, so you can click the link in the description and look at this. It's a nice, clean sales page. One thing that I have noticed is that, anytime they come out with a product, they pretty much use the same structure on the sales page they do the other ones. They just change the name and the images out and this, that, and the other. So that's what you can get. So what you do is you come here, you check this page, read all this information, and buy the EndGame 2.0 now. Go ahead and get it so you can get started. Okay. So if I come back up here, if you don't want to do all of that, what you can just simply do, watch the video and click here and get instant access for $16.93 one time. Okay. Now, once you do that, understand you're going to get access to this members area. You can get a bonus, not a bonus, but a bump offer they're going to offer you. Okay. You can get that. And then you can also get one of the upgrades. You do not have to get everything that they are offering you. Now, if you want to, that's on you, but you do not have to. But just to kind of show you what you get in the back. Okay. You're going to get the Start Here to Welcome video. You're going to get a case study from them. Okay. You see what I have gone through here. I have gone through this section right here. Okay. I have everything set up that they have, that they mentioned in this video. I have all of that set up. I have not gone through the social media 2.0 yet. Okay. Right now, I've implemented what they're talking about right here, other than purchase traffic yet. And I'm going to share that with you in a little bit, because I'm going to purchase traffic for this as well, specifically for the EndGame 2.0. Okay. So that's as far as I have gotten. I have not gone through the EndGame 2.0 high ticket sales boost yet. I have looked at the bonuses. Okay. You have all the bonuses over here and the upgrades I got. Like I said, the regular, I got this. I also, if you click here, okay, let's just go on and show you. You can click and get the bump right here for $9.95. So that's totally up to you. Check out and be done. Now let's go back. Okay. All of this, watch this video, listen to what they got to say, and then just go from there. Okay. And if you try the opposite off the page, then of course you can get it for $4 off, which would be $12.95. So keep that in mind. But yes, go ahead on and still get this, because now you're getting it for $7.95. Okay. So that's that page. I've just shown you the members area. Now, when you buy, you're going to get hit with all of these upsells and downsells. You do not have to have them unless you feel that you need them. That's all I can say about that. I'm not going to tell you not to get them. I'm not going to tell you to get them. It's totally up to you. That's a decision that you have to make on your own. But as you see right here, and I'll try to zoom in a little bit. This is everything, and this is what you earn when you promote it. This is what the sale price is, okay? So you can earn 50% commissions on everything over here. Just know that, okay? So there are a bunch of upsell. Just go through the process, get what you want, what you don't want. Hey, just keep it moving, okay? Now, per se of this, going by this, just the email marketing, which I have gone through. Okay. The email marketing, all of this. I have set up my funnel. I got my autoresponders set up. You know, I got the hot offers. I got the opt-in page. I got all of this done. Not so much according to the way they said do it, but it's set up. Okay. And let me show you what I got. Okay. So this is my opt-in page. And the reason I chose this opt-in page is simply because I can promote any offer behind here. It does not matter what it is. It can be the EndGame. It can be HBA Funnel Builder, the $25 all-in-one business. It can be Live Good. Whatever I want to promote behind this page, I can do. So someone comes, they put in their email, they click confirm, they go to this page. This button here, I want you to understand it. This button is going to go to, watch, the EndGame. But I want you to understand something. I'll show you this in a different video. This button can be a rotator link where you can rotate out 2 or 3 different offers, okay? Warrior Plus offers. That's totally up to you. Right now, I'm just doing the EndGame because I want to take them to the EndGame. That's what I want them to see. That's what I want them to purchase, okay? If they don't purchase it, then guess what? When they fill in their name here, okay, when they put in their email here, my bad, they're going to go to this page, but they're going to get put on this email list, okay? Now, I call it Email Mastery Masterclass simply because this has to do with email marketing, okay? They're strictly email marketing, but they do have social media in there, okay? So this, I have 7 emails set up, ready to go. You see, I have no subscriber because this is a case study. I'm going to send traffic to it and come back with another video and show you what I'm doing. But not only do I have that set up in here, okay, I have my messages, but also I have set up, and if I come over here and go down to automation, in automation, I have this set up as well. Let's click on it. I have this automation set up, and this automation is when anybody subscribes to, let me see if I can. So when anybody subscribes to that particular list, when anyone opens any autoresponder, okay, they're going to get tagged as openers, and then they're going to go on to what I call my Let's Stack Bricks crew. Okay, these are people, in my opinion, who want to really make money online. They want to stack brick. So this is a brand new email list. My autoresponder here in the email mastery has those 7 that I showed you. When anyone, if they open up the first one, boom, they're automatically moved to this list right here. Okay. If they open up the last one, they're moved to this list. If they do not open up any of them, they are strictly removed out of the account, period. Done. Through with it. I'm not going to even fool with them. You know, it's just gone. So this is the simple method of having this system set up. Okay. And I'm going to save and exit. I'm going to come back up to tools and go to autoresponders. And when I go to autoresponders, this is the list that I have set up. As you see, no one is in it. No one has opted in it yet. Okay, but when they opt into this page, they will be there. They're going to come to this page, watch that, and go to this page here. Okay, so that's my email marketing. So I have everything set up right now. The only thing I need to do right now that I can think of, and I'm going to double check all of this, make sure everything is working, and then I'm going to start running traffic. So I'm going to come back and do another video on the traffic sources that I'm using, and I'm going to come in here and actually show you my stats, show you how everything's working. I'm going to show you if I made any sales, if I have not made any sales, all of that. I want to do this case study so you will know that the end game, okay, might just be the program that you want to get. Now, if you should decide that you want to pick up the end game, I do have some emails that I can give you. I can specifically give you this funnel right here for free. Okay. The only thing you have to do is join the Home Business Academy. You can get this funnel for free. I'll even set it up for you. I'll even set up the email messages for you. Then I'm going to give you some other emails that you can get access to. Plus, I have 2 powerful ebooks. Whether you read them or not, that's up to you, that I can give you as well. Okay, so that's pretty much. So what I want you to do is just go ahead on, click the link in the description, pick up the end game, and get started with it right now today. There will be a link also to the HBA funnel builder, which is what I use to build this site right here. Okay, and everything, and plus your contacts will come in here as well. Okay, so go ahead, click the link in the description, pick up the EndGame 2.0. Go ahead and get started. Follow along with me in this case study. Go on the journey with me. Let's make it together. Let's see if we can make up to $2,000 daily passively. Okay, with this. Now, like I said before, paid traffic, you got to be willing to invest. Okay, so click the link in the description. Go ahead and pick this up if you're ready to get started. Get in contact with me, and we'll work on this together. We can even do Zooms. We can call this the EndGame 2.0. What did I set it up in here as? I forget what I call it. The Get Live crew, Get Money crew. Let's make money together. That's all I can tell you. So go ahead, click the link in the description. Get this down below for $16.93 one time. Pick up any of the upsell that you feel you need. Okay, they're not required, but feel that you need. Okay, and we'll go from there. I want you to like this video, love this video, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Leave me a comment if you have a comment. As I said, my contact information is above. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Subscribe. Peace.